It's GNN News at 7 o'clock p.m. with your news anchor, Empress Holly.
Hello, my name's Holly. Welcome to GNN News at 7. Tom can't be here cause he got sick.
Go away.
Thanks, Tom. Now here's the top story. A mother saved her daughter's life from a car, but she had to kill her life to do so. We go to Shanna Sylvester to the scene.
An old woman was speeding her car instead of hitting the brake, so a local mother had to push her little daughter away, but she took out her own life for that heroic event. Her daughter is now away somewhere else. We are not sure if her father took her away to another place or what.
That's for stealing my favorite pen, you whore!
Okay. Now let's go to Eric for the weather forecast. Eric?
It's raining sideways.
Alright, now let's go to Brian for our sneak peek at the new movie, The Town That Dreaded Sundown.
What do you get? The producer of Paranormal Activity and Insidious, the co-creator of American Horror Story, and the return of a great motion picture studio. You get this. The Town That.
What the hell?
Red alert! Red alert! Red alert!
Sorry about that. There was a slight mess up in the studio, so let's move. Oh my god, somebody stop this terrible earthquake. It keeps interrupting regular programming. Oh no, everything is upside down. What is this world coming to? Oh wow, whoa wow, whoa 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 wow whoa wow whoa 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 wow whoa 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 wow whoa 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 wow whoa 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 whoa. Somebody please stop all of this, or else. Ugh. I'll just go outside and play golf instead of talking in this stupid news channel. Jeez.